Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best trinocular microscopes on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. Microscope Trinocular Microscope. The Microscope SM750TP Trinocular Stereo Microscope is a versatile and high-performance scientific equipment suitable for various applications. It features a trinocular design, super wide-field 10x eyepieces, a versatile magnification range of up to 500x, and simulfocal technology for real-time documentation. The microscope's compact design allows for easy placement on lab desks or workstations. The trinocular head allows simultaneous viewing through both eyepieces, while the super wide-field 10x 22mm eyepieces provide a large field of view. The microscope's sturdy metal construction ensures durability and stability, making it suitable for long-term use. The microscope comes with a dust cover, eye guards, and a photo port for easy camera attachment. It is CE certified, meeting stringent quality and safety standards in scientific equipment. Number 4. Trinocular TX350 Trinocular Microscope. The Trinocular TX350 Trinocular Microscope is a versatile tool suitable for both educational and professional settings. It features a trinocular head for simultaneous viewing and the ability to mount a camera for imaging. Its high-definition optics, WF10x/23mm eyepieces, and true 3-eye synchronous display provide sharp, high-definition images. The large viewing platform with a 500mm x 380mm metal bottom plate and insulated work mat ensure durability. The ergonomic design reduces strain during extended use, while the adjustable swing arm allows for easy positioning of the microscope head. The RL1 ring light and focusing bracket system ensure bright, even lighting across the sample. The 4K camera integration allows for high-quality imaging and easy documentation. The 0.5x auxiliary objective lens expands magnification options. The microscope is built with durable plastic and metal components, ensuring durability and weight management. It is certified with CE and FCC certifications for safety and quality assurance. Number 3. Aliexpress 7050 Trinocular Microscope. The Aliexpress 7050 Trinocular Microscope is a versatile optical equipment designed for both professional and hobbyist use. It features a trinocular design, allowing users to observe through eyepieces and capture images or video via a connected camera. The microscope offers a high magnification range of 3.5x to 200x, making it suitable for tasks like PCB soldering, phone repair, and watch inspection. It also has a 4K HDMI USB camera output for real-time viewing and analysis. The microscope is equipped with 144 adjustable LED lights and a dust-proof lens for clear illumination. The microscope also includes auxiliary objective lenses for expanding the magnification range. The compact and portable design makes it suitable for workshops, laboratories, and fieldwork. Its wide range of applications includes mobile phone repair, PCB soldering, watch repair, jewelry observation, and machine turning and milling. The WF10x/22mm eyepiece provides a clear view. Number 2. Aliexpress Trinocular Microscope. The Aliexpress Trinocular Microscope is a versatile scientific instrument designed for various applications, including research, laboratory experiments, and educational projects. It features a trinocular design, allowing for standard visual observation and simultaneous camera attachment for digital viewing. The microscope offers a magnification range of up to 500x, ensuring clarity and precision in examining small specimens. Its full optical glass elements and precise ground glass lenses ensure superior image quality. The adjustable interpupillary distance accommodates users of varying eye distances, minimizing eye strain. The microscope also features a high-definition digital display, HDMI, VGA, and USB Type-C. Its lightweight aluminum alloy construction and ergonomic design promote long hours of viewing. The microscope is portable and handheld, making it versatile for various settings. It is CE certified, ensuring international safety and quality standards. Number 1. RF4 Trinocular Microscope. The RF4 Trinocular Microscope is a top-tier optical instrument designed for professional and educational use. It offers a high magnification range of 7x to 50x, allowing users to observe samples with incredible detail. The microscope features a trinocular head, allowing simultaneous use of eyepieces and a camera for digital viewing and recording. It has a mechanical gear zoom locking knob for precise magnification locking, ensuring stable and reproducible views. The 144 LED lighting system provides bright, uniform illumination, while the ergonomically designed WF10X/22mm eyepieces reduce fatigue and improve user comfort. The microscope is portable and easy to use, with CE certification ensuring it meets European quality and safety standards. It also offers efficient time and energy-saving features, such as mechanical zoom locking, and comes with a 0.5x CTV synchronizer camera adapter for connecting digital cameras. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.